Visually, the V90 Cross Country can be spotted by its charcoal plastic cladding for the wheel arches, side moldings, and bumpers, and its glossy chrome black grille. Inside each door gets silver skid plates, and there are unique leather seats and black walnut trim pieces. Although it'll never be mistaken for an out-and-out off-roader, the cc's 65mm increase in ride height, four-wheel drive and underbody protecting skid plates mean it can cope with seriously rough roads. And the off-road drive mode makes doing so easy. It calibrates the engine and gearbox for ultimate traction, makes the steering light and automatically engages the hill descent control, so even those with zero mud plugging talent can safely glide down steep inclines. The Cross Country feels just like any other V90, which must be some of its appeal to buyers. It suffers from a little more roll in corners than the regular V90, but the trade-off is a more cosseting ride. The raised suspension and the cc's larger than standard door mirrors mean that visibility is excellent. The V6 engine is a supercharged and turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder with a 48-volt hybrid system that makes 295 horsepower. Acceleration is fairly brisk, and the big Volvo wagon managed a 6.4-second run to 60 miles per hour at our test track. The E450 all-terrain proved quicker still, zipping to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. Although the V90 Cross Country does not feel overtly sporty, it is nimble and offers impressive cornering competence. However, the ride is harsher than we expect from a large luxury car. The brakes are strong despite the spongy-feeling pedal, and in our 70 to 0 miles per hour braking test, the V90 Cross Country came to a halt in 168 feet. Because of its small displacement, forced induction engine, the V90 Cross Country has one of the highest EPA fuel economy ratings in the luxury wagon segment. The EPA says the V90 Cross Country with the new V6 powertrain should get 22 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, the V90 Cross Country returned 28 miles per gallon. For more information about the V90 Cross Country's fuel economy, Mercedes-Benz aside, no company is doing luxury interiors better than Volvo. The Swedish brand's warm and comforting cabins offer a compelling argument for its wagon's premium prices. They offer high-quality trimmings, elegant design and substantive technology, two-tone leather on the steering wheel, textured knobs, beautiful open-pore wood, artful speaker covers and a vertically oriented tablet-style infotainment screen all help to separate Volvo's vehicles from the pack. As is the case with most wagons, the V90 Cross Country offers generous amounts of interior space. It is not quite as efficient in the cargo hauling department as Mercedes is, nor can it beat the non-luxury Subaru Outback in that area. The Mercedes and the Subaru both held more carry-on suitcases behind their rear seats than did the Volvo. With all the seats folded, the V90 Cross Country held 21 cases while the Outback had room for 22 and the E-Class 24. The V90 Cross Country comes with a 12.3-inch digital gauge display and a vertically oriented 9.0-inch center touchscreen that includes features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. Navigation, USB and Bluetooth connectivity, and in-car Wi-Fi are also standard. The new Google-based infotainment interface looks nice and is more responsive than the Sensus Connect system from previous model years, but its smaller on-screen icons are more difficult to hit accurately while driving.